Alright, today I'm going to show you how to remove filament the right way to save yourself money, preserve your Bowden tube, and improve the quality of your print. Hey, and welcome to the Iron Horse Route, my N-scale model railroad. My name is Brian, and I'm one of the owners of Iron Horse Hobbies. It's good to have you here. What we're going to do today is show you how to properly remove your filament from the extruder when you have to change it to save yourself some money, preserve your Bowden tube, and improve the overall quality of your prints. And so what happens is you start your print, it finishes. You come in at some point after and your print is sitting there, ideally sitting there perfect, pristine, nice, done, ready for you to pop right off the bed and smile about, everybody. That's what we hope for, right? And so what you do at that point is sometimes you come to a situation where either you don't have enough left on your roll to start another print, or you need a different color. If you go to pull this filament out of the extruder right now, what's going to happen is it's stuck, right? And so what you need to do, and most of you probably already know this, what you need to do is turn the temperature up on the nozzle, right? And what happens is at that point, once the temperature comes up on the nozzle, you are able to pull the filament free and through the extruder, through the Bowden tube, and back out. And so what happens though is many times it is snug when you're pulling it through, right? It's snug. And sometimes you even have to pull kind of hard to get it through. And what's happening is you're damaging your Bowden tube right there. You're going to have to replace your Bowden tube before long, and it's going to affect the quality of your print because your Bowden tube is getting bored out and your filament's moving around in there. So what you need to do is jack up the temperature on your nozzle, just like you did the first time. What I need for you to do is raise the Z-axis on your Ender 3 up to 100. Once you're up to 100 and you've got your temperature at least 10 to 20 degrees above where you normally print with this filament, I need you to go 10 degrees, 15 degrees higher than where you normally print with this filament. Get your Z-axis up to 100. All right. Once that temperature has reached, I want you to release the handle on your extruder so you can move your filament. And I want you to press the filament into the extruder, not pull out. Press in, press in. You're doing two things right now. You're cleaning your nozzle, making sure that your nozzle is going to be ready for the next print, so you're going to get some quality print on it. Then, once you push down for a minute, once you see a straight line, we're looking for a straight line, you're going to keep pushing. If you don't get a straight line and you keep not getting a straight line, you stop. You pull back, you rest, you wait, you press down again 10 seconds later and you keep doing that until you get the straight line. Once you get the straight line going down, then you pull all the way out and it comes out like butter. And not only that, does it not come out like butter, it goes back in like butter without scissors too. Alright everybody, and that's how AJ and I change our filament over here on the Iron Horse Route, and that's what we do here everybody. We produce scale model kits for model railroad layouts in Z, N, and HO scale, and to do that we got to 3D print them. And so what we do is we show you on this channel what we've learned and how we do it. We aren't experts at 3D printing. We don't claim to be experts at 3D printing. I asked Shep for help the other day. What we do here is we show you what we've learned and how we do it based on what we've learned, so you don't make the same mistakes we did. We can save you some money and improve the quality of your prints. We hope you'll subscribe if you have not already. We hope you'll click the bell icon. We hope you'll leave us a comment below to let us know you were here. Please smash that thumbs up button for us. Don't forget to go over to my other channel, the N-Scale Model Railroad channel, right here. That's the Iron Horse Route D&RGW. That's Iron Horse Route D&RGW. There's going to be a card at the end screen here in just a minute to get you there. This has been Brian with Iron Horse Hobbies, coming to you from the Iron Horse Route. Thanking you very much for your time and watching our content today. We really appreciate it. Look for another upload coming very soon.